Here at Holistic 3D, we've been working hard to uncover the truth about video game optimization. There's much doubt as to what it is, when it should be done, how it should be done, and even if it should be done. We can now reveal that through much investigation, we've uncovered the secrets and can now present them to you. Hi, I'm Dr. Penny DeBale. I've been teaching game development, programming, computer games, and artificial intelligence for over 30 years. I've been working with Unity since 2006 and helped countless students like yourself to excel at game development, gain jobs in the industry, as well as design and release their own indie games. I use an experimental approach in my teaching to take you on a journey of discovery in learning not only how to do things, but why. I like to see my students question their approaches and develop critical thinking skills that will excel their independent learning. And this course is in no way different. In it, you'll discover the top tips and tricks for squeezing every frame possible into a second. We will expose the precise and structured plan of attack used by top game development houses to ensure their games run perfectly on their desired platforms. You too will learn how to make a performance budget and stick to it. Throughout, we will divulge our experimental processes with the Unity Profiler so that you too may investigate the deepest, darkest depths of your game project. Seek out the performance spikes and implement tried and true strategies to eradicate them. Together, we will find the inefficiencies in the game script, reveal the mysteries of creating optimized art assets, and decode the physics system towards building skills in you that will become second nature, such that analyzing your game at every step through development will ensure the Unity Profiler is a regular feature on your desktop. Want to gain these new powers and insights into what makes your game tick? Enroll now.